What's up, guys, and welcome to the 500 subscriber special. So let's get started. So today's video is going to be an updated collection as well as a board system test 6.5. So let's start off with the alarms that I don't have laid out in front of me right now. So first off, we have this Halo sliding arrow exit sign with the RGB bulbs in it. Pretty cool old exit sign. Now, I used to have two of these up. This one's still here, but the one that used to be in the room has been replaced by a P2W-H-LF low frequency sounder strobe. The emergency lighting situation is also pretty much the same, except for an addition that I did in the bathroom. These are just the commercial electric generics. We also have a system sensor SW. We still have the two BG12s and the 5UD as usual with a custom made silence switch. See if we can get it to focus. There we go. Up on the demo board, we have the Firelight BG10, the System Sensor 2400, the Spectral Alert Classic, and the System Sensor Mass, as well as the MS2. So now let's look at what I have laid out in front of me. So let's start off with exit signs. This is a Surelight Chicago exit sign. I don't know if I've went into detail about this thing. This actually was the same model of exit sign that was in my school, my K-8 school in Chicago. And if I hit the test button, you can see a second set of bulbs comes on. Mine only has one. These are actually the 6-volt battery backup bulbs. There are no batteries in there. I do plan on getting batteries and another bulb. Under that is just the Home Depot commercial electric generic. This thing's actually getting a little warm, so I think I might unplug it. That actually has fluorescent bulbs in it. So I've color-coded my alarms, which actually looks pretty cool. So we have the ceiling mount white AS. I had 3 of these, but one of them I destroyed and I sent it to the Simplex 4903. We have 3 of these white 4904 strobes. We have the Wheelock ZRS, the Wheelock RSS with the blue strobe, and a white Wheelock MIZ. So I call this a mass trim plate because it came with the mass, but it's actually a trim plate for an older Wheelock alarm, like a 7002T. I actually got the paint off of it. It looks pretty nice now. This is an old Wheelock strobe, rebranded by Honeywell. I'm pretty sure it used to have fire lettering on it too. This is a red MIZ mini horn. This is a System Sensor P2R Advance. This is the bell that blew up my MS2. This is a 4390-6AWR. This is the EST Integrity. I call it the Crunchy Integrity because it's being held together with glue. And the plastic is very crunchy. And this is the MT24LSM Wheelock MT. Here are my custom blue alarms. I tried restoring this NS, but I accidentally took off the fire lettering with acetone, so I decided to paint it blue and make it a general signal device. Let's see here. Take this off. You see, it pretty much just needs a new cover plate, really. This is my custom blue 4904 strobe and my custom blue MIZ. Now let's look at initiating devices. So we have 2 of these break glass pull stations. These are pretty cool. I'm not going to be pulling them because they're single use. We have a 270 SPO. We have the Faraday 32 SK2, or the Loganetics NAA T-bar. We have the Gamewell Sentry. This is the, I don't know the model number. And we have the Simplex T-bar. So yeah, that's the alarm collection. Now let's move on to System Test 6.5 featuring Loganetics. Alrighty everyone, so welcome to System Test 6.5 with
405080.
Okay. So, we actually have the fog machine. We're going to be setting off the 2400 with the fog machine, but while that's warming up, Logan, would you like to describe what you requested me to do with this system?
Alright, so I requested Ryan to set the panel to temporal, so both the mass and the spectral are doing temporal.
Yeah, which also means the Oh, that's weird. My fog machines are. My fog machines is already sputtering.
I can see it.
Stop. So
It's gonna set it off.
this also means that no, the 2400's not that sensitive, dude.
If it was a wiffle ball, then it would have already gone off.
Stop. So this means that the strobes are also going to be flashing in temporal, but the horns are going to be synchronized. So let's hear that. It's going to do a blast first. Synchronized. So let's hear that. It's going to do a blast first. Yeah, it's weird. I like how like
your panel's a bit stupid because my SK2 never did that.
well, it does.
Had a long blast.
Yeah, it does the initial blast at the front, and I actually originally thought that it didn't work, that the coating didn't work, because Pickle 700 had a problem with his temporal coating, but it does work. Also, the classic worked. Also, the strobes barely flashed. Like literally, I think I saw the mass flash like once.
Well, that sucks.
And I didn't see the classic flash, like, at all, so that's definitely a problem. Boy, if you don't stop spitting out...
Wait, did your old MS2 have that weird problem? Or
I never used the temporal coating on my old MS2. You could ask Nick, but the knack is blown. Alright, let's do Fog Machine. I'm going to be using the wireless remote for this.
Snoop Dogg. The fire alarms are hotboxing.
Stop!
World's slowest detector.
Oh, yeah. Well, oh, there we go. I'm going to be using the wireless remote for this.
Snoop Dogg. The fire alarms are hotboxing.
Stop!
World's slowest detector.
Oh, yeah. Well, oh, there we go.
There we go.
Bro, I use way too much fog for that. It's gonna actually set off my smoke alarms. Alright. Oh, dude, I'm gonna need to open a window or something. No, my neighbors are gonna think that my house is on fire. Alright, let's hope that doesn't set off any smork alarms. So, as you heard, both of them were coded to temporal, which is pretty cool. I personally prefer my original configuration, because the strobes actually worked.
Yeah.
No offense, Logan, Pookie Bear.
It's all good.
I'm gonna turn that off before it, like, catches the...
fog machine took away your breathing privileges.
Real. Actually, wait.
Is there a MacBook on the ground?
A what?
A MacBook?
Yeah, this is my travel laptop.
Only you.
Not really. So, let's, try to reset this. Because, so, the 2400, it takes a while to go into alarm, but it actually doesn't take a lot of smoke for it to go into alarm. Which, if that makes any sense. So like it'll detect the smoke, then it'll be like, am I sure there's smoke? Am I sure there's smoke? Am I sure there's smoke? Alright, I reset the BG7. Guys, I actually own a Firelight BG13. Yeah, actually Firelight gave me early access to the BG13. My dad actually works for Firelight.
Show us then.
Nuh-uh.
That's what they always say.
Nuh-uh. Alright, do you want to do anything else with the system, Logan? You requested it.
How about walk test?
Okay, we'll do walk test. I fucking hate walk tests on this panel.
It takes so long to like act.
It's because the button, I don't know, it was never used, so the button's like weird. Go! Oh, there we go! I literally let go of it. Okay, so maybe I'm just a little restarted. Okay, so this is my solo UL listed tester stick. Huh. For some reason, the panel doesn't code to temporal on walk test.
No, it doesn't do that.
Makes sense, actually.
Mine never did that.
Alright.
Although my new panel does that, although I'm not leaking what it is yet.
Alright, and now we're gonna open up this. Okay, that was walk test. Pretty simple. I don't even want to deal with the damn walk test button. I just hit reset at this point.
That's what I
So, yeah. Thank you everyone for 500 subscribers. And, see you in the next one. Bye.